Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to link text box. So as example, I will create text box. You can go to insert and then click the text box. Use the simple text box default, you can click here. And then it will be show for the text box. If you want to edit, you can select and then I will set like example text box. Now to set links, you can select the text box object, right click and then click on the link option to be sure for the insert hyperlinks. Like I will move into place in this document and I will move into key feature. Click OK. Now if you press Ctrl button, hold and then click on this text box, will be moved into the key feature. Like in here. So like I will move this text box into the second paragraph and you can press Ctrl button, hold and then click this text box to move into the key feature. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to link text box. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.